In this video, I want to show you how to start a new mining session in Delta coin mining app. This may look so simple, but somebody asked me how to start a new mining session in Delta coin mining app. So that's the essence of this video, and you also can learn from it. So to start a new mining session, this is the Delta mining app. Click on it to open it. So when you start the app, it usually looks like this. A new session usually starts after every 24 hours, which means if I start mining now, in the next 24 hours, I'll have to come again to tap it to continue mining. It's not a one-time issue. It is 24-hour based tapping. So once you open the app, when it is time to mine, it will show you this information. Tap to mine Delta coin. So you can see mining has stopped. Every 24 hours is a mining cycle. Click the lightning icon to start a new round of mining. Delta mining is a distribution mechanism that does not consume extra computing power and network traffic of your device. So to start a new mining session, just click at this button, just like this. Information about your previous activities will be displayed here. What to do at this page is to click mine. If you are not interested in mining, you click close. But if you want to continue mining or you want to start a new mining section, click on mine. So this will write the on-chain, and boom, here we have it. A new mining section has started. So this mining section will last for the next 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will need to open the app again and tap to start a new mining section. So for those who ask the question, how to start a new mining section in Delta coin mining app, this is very simple and this is how to start it. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.